Bighorn, Montana. The National Weather Service in Billings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Bighorn County in south central Montana until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:03 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 10 miles northwest of Hardin to 9 miles southwest of Crow Agency, or along a line from 10 miles northwest of Hardin to 16 miles south of Hardin, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is possible along with wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hardin, Crow Agency, and Crow Indian Reservation. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Bighorn, Montana.